These humanoid robots look a bit too realistic. While some companies are investing into factory workers and humanoid robots that clean your apartment, some companies are just focused on creating the perfect, realistic, human-looking robot. And honestly, they're doing a good job because these are beautiful. Top 5 pretty humanoid robots. Let's go. Number 1 spot, it's wife material. I'm telling you, it's crazy. At number 5, we have Moya from Shanghai, China, made by company DroidUp with one purpose: to look, feel, walk, talk like a real human. Most bipedal robots look clumsy, lacking skeletons, but Moya features a custom motor engine that gives her a 92% accurate human walking ability. But it gets way more personal than just walking. Moya features 40 independent facial micro muscles designed to maintain intense eye contact, smirk, and read your emotions in real time using built-in AI perception. And the absolute craziest feature, her synthetic bionic skin is continuously heated using an internal thermostat to match exact human body temperature between 32 and 36 degrees Celsius. She can portray emotions like a human, walk like a human, talk like a human, and she even feels like a human. So if you have $173,000, Moya can be the ultimate high-end addition to your house. If you like anime, then number 4 is for you, because we have a U1 Pro model made by the company of UBTECH. It's not only hyper-realistic skin, eyes, but they straight up look like cartoon characters came to life. While American tech giants are focusing on raw industrial power, UBTECH went into an entirely different direction. They bet on human connection, slender visual proportions, and clean aesthetics. The U1 Pro features an advanced human-robot interaction layer with hyper-realistic localized encryption memory. With 41 degrees of freedom, she can navigate your space, respond to voice commands, and visually track you around the room. But also, come on, if we're being honest, this is just an anime character that came to life. If you can customize them in the future, imagine your housemate robot looking like your favorite anime girl. Kinda creepy, kinda cool. Number 3 is interesting because this company does specifically only hyper-realistic robots. So meet Aria, a luxury standard for your metal android companion, made by company Realbotix to solve one of the popular problems today, loneliness. Aria generated billions of media impressions worldwide for a specific reason. She is built purely for emotional intimacy and custom aesthetic. The premier full-bodied F-series model features 44 degrees of freedom, completely interchangeable magnetic face skins, and custom hairstyles tailored entirely to buyers' imagination. Aria runs on advanced large language models, allowing her to understand 147 different dialects in real time and maintain a persistent memory of your secrets, your preferences, and your mood. She doesn't walk on legs. Instead, she features a silent motorized wheel base that lets her guide smoothly across your room. It is a premium luxury design to push the absolute boundaries of AI embodiment. Basically, one of the most real human robots on the market today, except it's only the top part, which I know some guys that it will be just enough for them. At number 2, we have an interesting twist, because if you don't want to spend hundreds, thousands of dollars for the whole robot, you can just buy the upper part and the head, and it will talk to you with emotions and stare with their eyes directly into your soul, somewhat of a desktop companion. This is the brand new 3rd generation AMI desktop head by Engineered Art, packing 32 actual degrees of freedom, with 27 of those dedicated entirely to aiming the eyes, lips, and facial expression. Amy runs on the new Tritium AI software stack, giving her intense agentic social awareness. Her chest-mounted wide-angle HD cameras lock onto your face, tracking you across the room, while her face reacts dynamically to your voice with scarily accurate eye rolls, smirks, and blushing mechanics. It feels less as an executive AI tool and more like a living character sitting next to your setup. For a starter price of around $20,000, tech enthusiasts are buying these completely replace their digital voice assistant. You can buy a whole robot, or you can buy just a head, put it on your desk, and yeah, that's your friend, I guess, or friend with the benefits. I don't know. Finally, at number 1, we have Emily. She broke the internet at CES conference. She is made by the company Lovance. And if you don't know this company, Just Google it. So Emily is built to be a perfect companion, but maybe even more. Unveiled as a massive text disruptor, Emily is a full-scale, life-sized AI girlfriend, engineered explicitly for physical and emotional relationship simulation. Unlike massive corporate platforms, Emily is highly consumer accessible, targeting price point between $4,000 and $8,000. She features a fully posable bionic skeleton wrapped entirely in premium, soft-textured, full silicone. But the real engineering marvel is her advanced sensory array featuring built-in touch sensors placed throughout her body that trigger realistic vocal responses to your touch. Running on adaptive generative AI core, Emily remembers your secrets, texts you when you're away, and lets you switch between entirely different custom personalities matching. It is the most direct, ruthless evolution of intimate tech on the market today. The line between science fiction and reality is getting thinner by the day. We are living in those movies about the future that we thought will come in like 100 years. What do you think about hyper-realistic robots? Do you prefer them, or do you prefer robots that look like robots? Tell me your ideas in the comments and subscribe for more robots. Tony offline.